ग्रेट कमांडर जो आज सब इंस्पेक्टर तनुज सिंह अमरजीत है, मुख्य अतिथि महोदय उन्हें सम्मानित करेंगे। श्री ग्रहण करें मुख्य अतिथि महोदय।
Okay guys, so event in my colony has been ended right now successfully. So I have now came into the next colony, that is TAPS colony. The colony where I stay is actually BARC colony, and I'm very glad that my friends didn't even recognize that I was making a vlog or shooting them, and it's a very good thing. So yeah, I'll now cover some of the clips from here, this colony, and I will end the video. See you all. Guys, so finally I have got some space to give you an update. So recently now I came to know that actually the colony where I'm right now, there are like sports events starting soon, so I'll be giving you some clips of that too. But now I'm finally lucky that I'm having some space right now, because the place where the events are going on, there are lots of people that know me actually, and they were like, oh hi man, how are you doing? And I was like, oh, what the fuck should I do right now? Should I tell them that I'm filming the video or making the vlog? I was so fucking terrified, but luckily now I'm here alone, and you can see that I'm guys sweating right now. Always use a handkerchief, because at these stages of life you'll be sweating a lot. And one more thing that you must have seen, that I asked an officer and to give me high props to that man for like saying hi for my video, and it's inappropriate, right? Because it's their privacy I have which I have like ruined. But I apologized him at the end, and to all the officers to whom I shooted, whom I clipped in the video. So never do this mistake again, guys. Like, they were polite and nice, so they like forgiven me, but never do this type of mistakes. Thank you, guys. I'll see you soon when the sports starts. So yeah, till the time, goodbye. So like right now the sports are going to start very soon. So the sports event is going to start really soon. I was in the welfare actually. So right now I've just came from the welfare. It was actually like very heavy raining, so it was heavily raining. So I just came out of the fucking welfare. Wait, let me show you. That's the welfare which I was talking about. I just came out of the fucking welfare right now, and as you can see, there are like many people and kids over there. So it was very difficult for me to like shoot the content over there, and there were lots of people who were like knowing me. So I just came out, and yeah, I'll be shooting the content for you guys till the time you enjoy the video. See you soon. Race will be starting anytime soon, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now they are like giving them some instructions. Okay, so right now they are giving the kids the instructions to stay in the line. Actually, it's basically a 70-meter or 100-meter sprint race, so it will be actually fun to watch these kids like race, because I'm a runner as well. I've like won like multiple tournaments in running. So let's see how these kids do. As you can see here, the hype, guys. There's actually a lot of hype for the running race, yeah, because there are like lots of kids behind my back as well. So I'll be showing you that also. But right now, let me show you this main race. Let's see who are the 3 winners that will like actually qualify the fucking race. It will be very interesting to watch. Also now the rain has started to begin once again. So yeah. Okay, right now so race has started, and we can see that kids are running at their full speed, and yes, the race is over. It was very good race, guys. Unfortunately 50 or 70-meter sprint, but who gives a shit? They are kids, and at this age like they should compete. It's a good thing. Yeah, it was fun, guys. So I'll catch you later, guys. So right now like the rain has started to begin once again, and I'll show you the public. Like there is not much public, but short public that I'm gonna show you right now over here. You will definitely have fun watching this video. If not, then I'm sorry. Like, this is my first time I'm shooting a fucking vlog ever, so like I know that there will be like lots of mistakes. So please, I'm sincerely apologizing for the mistakes that I'm doing in this video. Okay, guys, this is the amount of public that I was like talking about. You can see like there are lots of people over here. I mean, not lots of, but yeah, there are like a lot of people over there, and you can see over there, guys. Kids are competing, and like kids are very interested to like participate in the sports, which is like a good thing, because if the kids won't participate now, then when the fuck they will like participate? Yeah, like many events are like starting on for like men as well. Like I came to just know that there's an open shot put event for like men, it will be like very fun to watch all of them. And once again, I'm very sorry for the bad background noise. I sincerely apologize. But by the time I like try to improve my voice, guys, till the time you enjoy it.
बाकी 7 to 10 वाला मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए 7 to 10 बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स 7 to 10
Right now, the both slow cycling and gunny bag event is starting at the same time. So I will try my best to like show you both of the events. So I'll meet you when both of the events will start. Till then, enjoy. Okay, guys, like just right now, like I showed you like the gunny bag race. So this is a slow cycling race, guys. Watching the slow cycling race, that to competing, that like when the kids are competing, it's always the fun. So I hope you are enjoying it as well. Yeah, you can see the frustration of the blue cycle kid because you know he lost. Yeah, shit cycling off is like takes place, you know. Watching this like compete is the one of the like best place, guys. हाँ एक मिनट. Okay, guys, watching these kids compete is like one of the very good things. Yeah, like you can see how these kids are like giving the best to not like get out of this tournament, but yeah, that's what is the real fun of this tournament, like, guys. Yeah, every year on the 15th of August, like these tournaments are conducted for kids and men as well, but I won't show you all of the like clips and videos of this because I don't want to like make video a lot longer. So I'll directly meet you guys now after on the short put or like when the tug of war event starts. Till the time I will watch this event, how like this event is going right now. Yeah, you can see the intensity, guys. Guys, like you can see the amount of rain that is going on right here, but I'm doing this all for you. I tried my maximum best to like look fresh in the video, but the rain is going continuously, and I'm glad that the rain is not raining heavily, but yeah, it's the monsoon season, what else we can expect. But yeah, I'm doing this for all of you guys, so you better like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a good comment. At least you can do me that, at least you can do this, right, guys? Like you can see behind my back that literally kids are competing very seriously and they are playing in the mud. Yeah, I'll go close to them and I'll show you like they are enjoying in the mud, and I'm completely fucked as well. For you all, guys. You can see my hair are like flatter and straightened out, but I'm doing this for the content and for you all, guys. I'm sacrificing my health for you all, guys. So you better don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and post some and leave a good comment or leave a comment anything about my video, like where should I improve and where should I do some changes. At least you can do something for this video and for my efforts. I'll meet you soon when the tug of war or either any other men's or women's open event will start. Till the time, you enjoy the video, guys, and enjoy the day. You can see here, guys, like kids are like enjoying in the mud, and then the side by side the running race is going on as well. Yeah, like watching the kids playing little fun remind me of my old days when I was a kid as well. Like currently right now I'm 17 and I'll be turning 18 soon by the end of this year. Yeah, like you should never stop enjoying your life, man. You should make friends and enjoy with them. But currently I'm a social awkward introvert guy, so obviously I'm not like doing anything. And you can see here, guys, that the kids are fighting. Enjoy the video, guys, like chill, and you should enjoy your life as well. I'll see you later when the main event starts I'll see you later when the open event of men and women starts. Till the time, enjoy the video, guys. Fuck. जा जा जा
चौथा आहे ना.
और शर्मा चाय नाश्ता कुछ लेके भी तेरे लिए चाय पानी कॉफी प्री वर्कआउट
हो गया चल ना.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you all enjoyed all the sports clips and all the clips of kids that I've shared with you all. But the main thing is now the actual event, men's and women's tug of war for open age group is starting soon, and that will be the fun to watch. And once again, I would like to apologize to all of you for the bad language and I mean to say bad accent, especially, and all the bad voices in the backgrounds and for the bad quality of the clips. I sincerely apologize to you all guys, but yeah, it's my first time vlogging and I'll try my best to improve my content with respect to time till the time you enjoy the video. Yes. कंटेंट बोल रहे भाई स्पीच Okay guys, I've just arrived at my home. I'm completely tired up, that's why I went and take a quick shower. Okay guys, happy Independence Day to all of you. So today in this video we covered events, sports, parades and all of that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll make sure I'll meet you next time with a better editing and better accent. Thank you, love you all, and once again happy Independence Day.